jobs with verified contacts and clear guidance? Let's check out Migrate Mate. Migrate Mate refers to two products, but focusing on the job and visa platform, it helps users find U.S. visa-sponsored jobs. The service offers a 30-day free trial and then costs $29 per month, billed monthly with cancel anytime flexibility. Subscribers get access to over 500,000 verified roles, salary and company info, and the verified email of a real company contact handling visas. Review: Jeremy McLean from the US gave it 5 stars, calling it a lifesaver and confirming he landed a visa-sponsored job using the platform. He praised its clarity, saying it cuts through all the confusing stuff and is super easy to use and helpful. Pricing: the job and visa platform costs $29 per month after a 30-day free trial, giving full access to verified roles, company details, and direct email contacts with the freedom to cancel anytime. With thousands of verified roles and easy access to company contacts, Migrate Mate makes landing a visa-sponsored job much simpler. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.